Hello, this is XtreameGamer, aka James. I'm gonna show you today about the EasyCap. Um, it's a simple product you can buy from Amazon or some kind of website. Usually it's not in your local, um, device store, they haven't really got these out yet. This product is kinda, sorta, shoulda, brand new. Um, It's got an S-video cable. It's got your video, your sound cables, and it is a USB um, cap. It goes straight into the side of your computer. Um, it it can basically connect to anything that you like. It's got an extended yeah, because you can see this thing's kind of big when it plugs into your computer. So you really can't, with my computer I got it plugged in and I really can't plug anything on the side of it because it's so big, it takes up so much room. So this thing is pretty useful, and it comes with a disc. Mine, I just plugged it in, and since I'm running Windows 7, it automatically downloaded the driver. Okay. Um, Let it all install and download and everything else. The reason people mainly buy these is for video games, which I'm going to be describing here today. That's how to play video games on it. I got my console hooked up. Okay, there's two programs that I know of that are extremely useful with this product. Um, you've got IMVU. Um, it's a neat product. As you can tell, it is very, very expensive to buy. You can download it. You can use the trial. There's a trial online you can find somewhere, and you can download the trial. Excuse me. And when you download the trial, you can only pay for like 10 minutes at a time, and it shuts you off, and you can't see anything, and it blanks everything out, and it says you have to register if you want to continue, and then you have to close out the program, start it back up, start everything again. So if you want to play some serious video games or something, you can just download it. You can use PayPal, anything else. You can place your order, or right now I have it right now. As you can see, I only have the demo version. I would not buy this thing. To capture your device if you have it. I currently have my device running on something else. So anyway, you go to device, you click USB to 0 grabber. Okay. Microphone 2 is the USB grabber. So mine says there's a microphone 2. Yours might say something else. But in order to enable this, because you can't hear it on the IMVU, everybody has problems with the sound, and I'm going to show you how to use the sound. You go up to your sound, my thing's up here, as you can see. Okay, so you go to your sound, you right click it, you click playback devices. Okay, and these are all my devices I'm currently using at the moment. It should be under recording. As you can see, that's it right there. It makes kind of crackling noises, but the microphone is inside the EasyCap. You don't have to download some device, it's automatically right there. You right click it, you go to properties, you go to listen, and you click listen to this device and make sure it's either on your wireless, like I'm using a wireless headset, so that's how I'm going to listen to you, or your default playback device, and that would be your speakers. So if you got a headset on or something else like that, make sure you have that, and click listen to this device, and you should be able to hear it. Okay? What else you can do in case you still can't hear it is you go back up here and you go to open volume view mixer. Alright? It should be right there. Now you can turn it up or down, especially if you have it off. Turn it all the way up. I suggest about this level right here because it is really loud. And it kind of gets annoying after a while because it's crackling in the background. Okay, so that's another option for you. If it still isn't working for you, then put the disc in and see if that doesn't help if you haven't done that yet. There's really no other suggestions I can bring up right now except for that. setting as default device or anything like that shouldn't do anything to it. Your stereo mix doesn't have to be on. As long as you got your speakers on, make sure you got the speakers that you're using on, and like I said, make sure you have it set for whatever program speakers you're using for, and you should be able to hear it just fine. Back to the IMCap. Then you go down and select whatever you're gonna use for the IMCap. Got your volume here, your audio capture filter here, you got everything else. You know, it's pretty simplistic to get it all set. Some other versions of computers, like, I don't know, XP 2000, Vista, whatever, would start this program and it would cause a lot of problems. So yeah, I go to video, whatever. Just start it. Give me 1 second. My headset's dying. It's kind of like about wireless headsets. Okay. Okay, so that's basically it for the demo version, and it's really clear picture. Some people get like black and white problems. Like I said, go to your audio, video capture filter. You know, kind of mess around there. See if you can't get something to work. Or what I'm currently using now is the split video from Camera photo file. You can use this link right there. It should be down into the description. If it's not, then my contact should be down there and you should ask me for it. There's other softwares to download here, but this is what I have right now. And this is what I'm currently using. It's a big add-on. It's free. I'm not gonna complain. There's a lot to it. You can add whatever you want to it. Effects, there's all sorts of effects, and this is what I have on there right now. You go to File, you go to Video Source, and here it is, right there. And that's what I have. The audio, for some reason, doesn't work on this specific little thing. I have to turn it on up there. So, okay. And since I'm currently using this, I can show you the picture I get when I use it. This is my Xbox. I don't have sound enabled into the microphone, so you're not going to be able to hear anything, but... Okay. Let it load. And as you can see, it's a pretty decent picture. It's not too bad. And like I said, if you're having problems with the picture, there's something like resolution. Set your resolution. I haven't tried HD or anything yet. Let me try that. It's probably gonna screw it up. It's probably gonna say no. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Anyway, oh yeah, so yeah, that's your resolution, and everything else you want. Sorry about that. Okay. It's pretty fast, as you can see. Okay, and you can move these around, whatever you want. How I got these on there. Give me 1 second. Okay, how I got those on there was by using, you got backgrounds, face items, avatars, whatever you want. You got this on there, you can resize it to whatever. You know, it's some pretty cool stuff. The effects is probably my favorite. Isn't that cool? You get all kinds of awesome, neat effects to it. You know, whatever tickles your fancy. You got bubbles. And, you know, it associates with moving pictures. Like, you know, if I move over here and there, it's kind of still. It's like, whatever. It's like, big back over there. There's negative. Okay. There's all kinds of stuff. Diffuse or whatever. So let's go to the game. So I can show you what it's like here. And you got your own record button right here if you want to record off this screen. Well, I'm using a Screencast-O-Matic, and since I already bought it, I'm going to use it. So the sound is crackly and it can get on my nerves. This is your full screen right here. So guys, you can't see anything. I still haven't been able to get rid of this yet. I don't know how to get rid of it. So, okay. And my Xbox is sitting over there on the inside of my room. I got it all plugged in and hooked up, and this works with everything else, PlayStation, DVD, whatever you got, it'll work. It's not frozen. It's just loading up the add-ons. Okay, continue. My game is so slow. And if you want to exit out of full screen, you simply push Escape. And that key is located at the top left if your keyboard, if it's an English keyboard. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. I swear it's awesome. You'll have a lot of fun with it. I know you will. Just give a second to load so I can show you how this all works. And like I said, this thing kind of down here, I still haven't been able to get rid of it. I don't know. There's something I can't do, I'm pretty sure of it, but... This is pretty decent if you don't have a TV, or you had to sell your TV, or your TV's customly broken by the meantime when you get before you get EasyCap. I mean, EasyCap's pretty cheap. Some places you get it really, really expensive. Amazon, I got it for like 14 euros. You know, well, not 13. Got it for 13 euros. Really, really cheap. Okay. It's pretty awesome. As you can tell, the characters move pretty fast. It's not hardly slow at all. Yeah. So, okay. So log out of there and let me show you the other. And these are the other effects. This effect is pretty awesome. As you can tell, it still does the same thing. Okay. Got this effect. Can't really see anything with the blue. It's kind of annoying, actually. Gotta cause the bubbles. And this stuff explodes to anything that moves in the screen. So, like, you can move just him if you can't, and the bubbles will only appear around him. You got negative. But this is the part that might get a little annoying to you. Let's see. What else? Old movie. You got that. I'm just showing you the effects so you can kind of see what they're like. Old movie. You ready, Beaner? Let's go, Beaner. He's my follower. I call him Beaner. Does he look epic? I like totally made him cool. Let's see what else. This is pretty cool. Little snow effect. The snow only falls along the pixels that kind of sit there. Like if I kind of sit, like if I kind of, yeah, sit here. Let me sit with Beaner. There we go. Isn't that cool? Kind of falls on along the trees and stuff. It's awesome. Of course, we move, and it's like, ah, it's falling up over here on the, and then yeah. Other than that, it's a pretty decent picture. Isn't that pretty cool? So, okay. I hope you got this video off everything, and I hope everything works for you. If you have any questions or comments at all, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was pretty worth it. Sorry for the issue with the with the filters or effects or whatever at the end. I have so much fun with this. If you got any other questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to ask me. I should have all my details to contact me in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other questions you want me to make a video about, like glitches, tips, tricks, whatever you got, as long as I have the game, I can help you out with it. I hope this video helped you out a lot. Thanks for watching.